I'm definitely tired. It's been a long day. All-purpose leather, condition. A lot. So I'm gonna clean these, and I have one last pair I have to go get. Ariat, or I gotta get someone to help me pronounce your foot like really well. This boot isn't going on the side. When I take all this stuff back, the traditional Western boot, there is no zip circle here. The three, it meets here. Hi guys, welcome to Pray Shop Cruise. My name is Itiri. I'm a little tired today, but I just got in my little new mic and my new little selfie stand. I have a couple of selfie stands, but I'm just trying some things right now. And so I thought I'd come on and try to do my first Boot Barn review. I have this set up in my guest room right now, and I have some of my boots here. I'm about to do a boot cleaning, and maybe we can talk about the boots as I clean them. So this Boot Barn conditioner, all-purpose leather condition, was purchased from Boot Barn with this brush. I think this brush was like $3.99. This conditioner, I forgot how much it is, but this lasts a long time. I clean my boots once a month. I think that's what they recommended. The first pair of boots we'll talk about are these. These will be my first cleaning pair. I wear size 8.5. All of my Boot Barn boots fit just right. So I would say order true to size. This particular boot here is a square toe. It's got a square toe here, and it doesn't come up to the knee. It's like, I don't know what length it is, but it's got a very intricate design and a small heel. This boot is by Cheyenne, probably one of my favorite boot brands. You can see her name there, or not her, but the brand name, sorry. And then you can see the intricacy of the designs. So this boot is officially named, sorry, my other phone went out. This boot is officially named the Cheyenne Women's Hybrid Leather TPU Verbena Western Performance Boots with a broad square toe. The price of this boot was $229.99. And that's before shipping and tax. So if you want a good pair of Boot Barn boots, you're going to pay a bit of a price. So I just squoze some of the cleaning solution here. And I'm going to change hands here because I'm right-handed. And I'm just going to clean in a circular motion here. Just like that, and get in the crevices of the design here. Yeah, and I'm just going to go over the whole boot, front and back. These boots are made with real animal skin, so if you don't clean them, they will get small and tighter, and you can't undo that process, and then it's too late. So if you don't condition the boots, condition the leather, they will get tight on you, they will shrink, and they will not fit anymore. So it's best to do this at least once a month. So I'm going to do the other one, and then I'm going to review the next pair of boots. Another Cheyenne pair. These are my cream. Definitely my favorites. Well, not my favorites. They're all my favorites, but I've worn these a little bit more. That's the toe. That is the intricacy of the design. It's a flower pattern. These are officially called the Cheyenne Women's Lazy Floral Embroidered Western Boots. This toe is a snip toe. Okay, they call this a snip toe. This boot will set you back $199.99. So here's I probably won't put links to these in right away. I'll probably go back and put in links to where to purchase these boots, which is Boot Barn. I'll put a link to the Boot Barn site at some point, but probably not at the time of posting this video. So I'm going to do the same thing with this one. I'm going to put a little bit more solution on my brush here. Ooh, multiple hands. And I'm just going to go in a circular motion. And again, I do this once a month. These are actually not from Boot Barn. These are Ariat boots, and I don't even know if I'm saying that. Ariat, I think. How do you pronounce? I have to find the link to these. These are from Lebos. There's a place. I don't know if it's past North Carolina. They have a bunch of them in North Carolina. I don't know if they're in South Carolina too, but they're called lebos, Lebos. And this is a brown boot. It's a more traditional to me, like Western boot. None of these come up to the knee. I may try them on with a few different outfits if I'm feeling in the mood here. Or I may put that in the second video, maybe my Boot Barn boots paired. That might be a good one, right? So these, I think, were about $200 as well. So to get a nice quality, genuine leather boot, just be prepared to, spend a little extra. It's definitely worth it. I wear these a lot. So I'm going to clean these. And I have one last pair I have to go get. So I didn't really show the design on these. It's basically flames. I'm still cleaning this one, but it's basically, yeah, I would call it flames. That's what it looks like, the stitching. Beautiful stitching, beautiful toe. This to me is like a pointy toe. And then I don't know if you can tell the stitching here. It's got lines and then a detail in the front here. I have the solution on this one, so maybe I can show you the other one that also has solution on it. But yeah, you can see it really good there. The design at the front. Yeah, really nice pointed toe. And these are by Ariat, or I gotta get someone to help me pronounce that name. Very popular Western brand. Okay, so another thing I wanted to mention was this. I don't know the right name for this, and I don't think I have to put a link to it. I'm wondering if I have this. No, I think I bought this in store, so I don't have my online information on this. This assists you. This was purchased from Boot Barn. It was like $39.99. This assists you with removing your boot. So this boot is the hardest to remove. This one right here, this one is the hardest to remove. These other two, this one's fairly easy. I would say maybe the next level up of ease, I would say these are the easiest to remove. So I'll probably insert a clip of how I use this. I also have a smaller one, a travel size, which I'll bring down and show. But you basically slide your heel in here and lift up to pull the boot out. I didn't show the insides of these boots. That would help explain why. Oh, wait. No, it just says Boot Barn Ranch as the tag. This would explain why they're so difficult. On the inside, it's hard to see, but there's a lot of special stuff going on in there. That white part that grips your heel and kind of keeps it in place. And then there's stuff inside the shoe that grips your foot like really well. This boot isn't going anywhere. But surprisingly, they are very comfortable. All of these boots are very comfortable. It's just once you're in here, you're in here. So This boot heel remover, which this one, I have to get the right name for this. This one is very beautifully designed. The woodwork here. It's got the cross. It's got a man kneeling maybe with a horse. Very beautiful artwork here. It's not Velcro. This is suede. I'm sorry, suede. That sticker just fell off. And then this part keeps it stable while it's on the floor. So I'll have to demonstrate how I use it. This has the same thing. When I first bought this, I hit myself in the knee more than once because I was doing it wrong. You're supposed to just slide and easily lift up. And I was not doing that. I was barely sliding it in all the way and then kind of kicking out. It was just bad. I have a few like knee bumps there, but very, very useful. This is very light and easy to travel with. And you could also, this boot is by Idlewild. They're another favorite brand of mine that Boot Barn has, Idlewild. And they call this the Idlewind, not Idlewild, Idlewind. Women's Tough Enough Fashion Booties. This is a medium toe, color black. And this one will set you back $94.97. You can see here how beautiful this design is. I don't know what this is. It's an owl. It's actually an owl. I don't know if you guys can tell. The stitching is red. The lighting's not picking it up really well in here. I don't have any extra lights on right now in here, but the stitching within the owl is red. And then there's a belt chain here. There's a leather piece in the middle with red stitching. And then there's a belt chain, and then that's about how high the heel is. Not too high. This is a very walkable, wearable heel that you can wear all day in. And the back part is leather, but it doesn't have the materials on the inside that are as tough with gripping the foot as the traditional Western boots do. As those do. So this boot, you have more room and space. It's wider. There is a very comfortable padding in there.